Hi, welcome to my channel. I have a quick unboxing here to show you my new bag from Go Forth Goods. This is their large Avery Crossbody bag in Cognac Bison leather. If you have purchased from them before, this is how they pack their packages. It comes with a free keychain, a sticker, and cards about leather care and the person who crafted your bag. Be aware that they don't pack their bag in a plastic bag. So you want to watch for the delivery time if your area rains frequently. Usually my order from them takes about 3 to 4 weeks. This crossbody bag is identical to their Avery tote, except it doesn't have handles and pockets, and comes with D-rings for crossbody purposes. I did request them to add the hem top for a more finished look and also added a zipper closure so that my items do not fall out easily. Since I always use a bag organizer inside my bag, it doesn't bother me that it lacks pockets. I consider adding an exterior pocket, but I'm unsure if that will affect how the bag slouches. I love how oversized this bag is, and the bison leather is gorgeous. The texture of the leather makes the bag unique, and I love that. With such a big bag, I can probably use it for travel, but then it may be too heavy since the leather is quite thick. Also, the leather on this bag looks so perfect that I don't want to risk scratching the bag when I travel. These days, I love my bags to be simple and straightforward. This Avery Crossbody bag is exactly what I love. I will probably get another one the next time they have a big sale. I want another one in their honey pebble leather. I think that leather will be so good with this bag style. By the way, this bag doesn't come with a strap. I didn't add a strap since I have so many already. This is how the bag looks when I carry it. You can also make it a shoulder bag with a shorter strap and order a smaller size. I'm very happy with this purchase and thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to say hi. Thanks for watching. Bye.